Thanks for tuning in to the channel. Today's going to be a simple video. The only thing we're going to do today is I'm installing my new EBC rear brake rotor on my 2018 Husqvarna TE300. Right there it is. I picked everything up on Rocky Mountain. Also got a new bolt kit for the rotor from Tusk. Also picked up from Rocky Mountain. I guess they recommend putting new bolts in, but you know how that goes. Anyway, these ones come with red Loctite already on it. On these new brake rotors, you want to clean the extra oils, grease. You never know what the factory has. I'll give it a quick shot of parts cleaner, brake clean, whatever you need. Give her a quick wipe down. Looks good. Make sure you got the right side. It's pretty self-explanatory. Alright, I'm going to start putting this thing together, and stay tuned. Well, that's basically it. I'm not going to try to drag this video out. That's honestly how simple it is. I'm just going to throw this all in together and hopefully give you guys some good content to watch if you're interested in off-road motorsports, or if you like Xboxes. It's up to you. Some people like cooking shows, and some people like people working on random stuff. That's it for now. I'll be back. There's my baby. What are you doing, Molly? Yeah, she's my baby girl. This is what we're building. Bottom up. No, just kidding. The only thing we're doing is reinstalling my rear brakes. I already got them in. I'm gonna put a brake line on for you guys too. It's simple. I'll say the specs on that stuff.